Para na ako din ako pepos para ino. Eksiran na ako pepos para. Eksiran mo ako pepos para. Ay pepos para na nila iti. Di masapus. Ay doon sa masapus. Kala masapus. Burdi na yos. Burang beko. Say. Aw, losigan. Losigan. Alam-alam pa, bek. Gitor.
Now why you want to pepper spray him every time?
What? Kayo banget dyan. What?
Protection.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You gonna kick him? You gonna kick him? Are you gonna kick him? Are you gonna kick him?
Mama,
This is mother.
Say it.
you cannot say what's gonna happen to you.
I'll leave him. Abeka.
Do it.
Abeka.
Do it. It's fine. Do it. I said, like it.
Check.
We're gonna have problem.
What? Busy na yun. Ha? Alano no, may chanru. Beka, alu beka. Ani, hati bau ni.
So why you almost a phone? Now why you pepper spray him?
Now lost my
He's 17 years old and you know that.
leave me. What I do?
What did he do?
What I do?
What did he do?
You turn the lights into the spray.
Away.
What did he do?
Now take it by him. Now take it by him. What I do?
Now what did he do?
Pepper spray for
You pepper spray him for free.
Pepper spray for you now.
What I do?
The guy is here without charges. Yeah.
Baby, this was my 990
I'm
man.
gonna get it.
That is my child.
If I get him, you can leave this guy.
Why?
Bring him. Yeah.
Why did you want to eat him? Why did you eat him?
Ay rakuat ay pag-iwan na nakasalada wala yun ko alay ba may?
Why did you eat him?
Why you want to eat me?
Huh? What did he do? What did he ask? Nothing. He talking to his grandma. He's talking to his grandma. Ay, di dyan lang meow.
I want